Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a leggy video on Capcut. So first add your clips and then go to speed, normal, and then set the speed 0.5 slower. Okay, click on the check icon and then go to video effects. Click on retro and then select the doodle diary effect, so this one, and adjust the effects. So you need to put everything to 0 except for the speed. So for the speed you can adjust it into your liking. I'm going to go with 75 and then click on a check icon and set the effect for all of the clips like this. And here is the final result for the leggy video. Okay, so that's it from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.